We're going to hopefully give you a relatively short, sharp journey into customer experience for insurance. Now, we hope that we're not sounding in any way patronising. I'm going to fall into, as part of my introduction, a bit of a habit. Most insurtechs that I've listened to, which apparently is what we get labelled as, although I don't necessarily agree with the term, but most insurtechs do a little bit of beating up of the insurance industry, criticising it here, there and everywhere, saying the model's flawed and so on. So I'm going to do a little bit, but not a lot, because we actually are big believers in the industry, and I'll explain why. So what we've got for this evening, you notice on the top right, there's a link. So what we've got is an ability for you to ask questions online through the app called Glisser. We like Glisser very much. They were in the Microsoft Accelerator program when we were there. So if you tap that into as a URL, it should take you to their site, and then you just click on I agree to their terms. It should be connecting to the in-brief session, and you can ask any question. Obviously, we have the right of veto and just moderating them, so please don't ask anything too rude. But other than that, pretty much most things are open. And then what we'll do is we're going to have the speakers come on, and then at the end of the speakers, then we will go back and bring up some of the questions. So please do use the app. Any issues or problems getting on board, please just touch with any of the INSTANDA team. I'm going to share some stats. They're a little bit negative, but I think we have to face reality that insurance and customers aren't normally referred to in the same sentence in a positive way in all cases, whether it's your own personal experience, whether it's industry analysts. So I'm going to share a few statistics that potentially back that up a little bit. But I also want to leave you with a very important thought, which is I think we have the opportunity now to write our own narrative. So the insurance industry, people think it started at Lloyd's of London 300 years ago. I actually found it started on a Babylonian obelisk 3,500 years ago. So we've got a long industry. And with the technology that's around us and the ambition that we see when we talk to a lot of companies, there's a real opportunity to write the narrative of what you want and how you feel customer experience should run, whether that's personalizing experiences for your customers, whether it's making simple online experiences very intuitive. There's a range of opportunities for you to leverage some of the technology available, and that's a positive bit. So I'm going to give you a slightly negative sandwich. Here's some of the stats that unfortunately we have to take on the chin. Insurance, it's not too bad on the ranking of customer experience, but it's the one industry, if you look in there, that's falling down on performance in terms of relatively to other industries. So everybody else is getting better. What this is suggesting is insurance is not getting better. Now, yes, I know there's statistics and damn lies and all that good thing. So we just thought we would pull out some further stats from, let's call them luminaries. Certainly McKinsey would classify themselves as a luminary. And in terms of insurance and customer experience, then again, sorry, this is rather damning reading. It's not giving us a great feedback, is it? But what I would say is there's an amazing opportunity for us to, as I said, write our own narrative. The technology available today allows you to reach a greater range of customers, whether that's direct or via brokers. There is tools at your fingertips, whether it's digital fine print with personalizing offers to a whole range of customers, or whether it's INSTANDA, obviously. And there's a whole range of other solutions out there that give you all of the tools at your fingertips to create a greater customer experience.